So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan, and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about looking at how we can use Bigbasket to place order for grocery items. Now actually I have opened Bigbasket here, so we'll be doing this right from scratch. And actually I wanted to order a tender coconut and maybe some diced pineapple pieces and some pomegranate. So that all comes in the category of fruits. So we'll do this as we move on. So we'll do it right from scratch. So in case you're using an Android Power smartphone, the first things first is you need to go to the Play Store, punch in Bigbasket. Voila. There you go. And as soon as you do that, in case it isn't installed, here you will get options for installing it. So once it is done installing, you get options to open it up, and this is how it would look like. Ah, so any app, be it like Bigbasket or anything else, so they will all have unique page layouts. So this is how the app appears. The user interface is pretty neat and clear, and it's categorized into different categories. So in case you are looking for vegetables, you'd be clicking here. In case you are looking for say some different items like bakery, milk, so you click here, and likewise. So if you see, like, the categories will then further list categorized products. So under like this one, you get all different type of oils and atta and all those things. Okay, not for me, but just wanted to show, like, this is housing cleansing items more or less, so harpic and other things. So yeah, more or less you get, and even that further you can, subcategories are further divided, so you can go ahead and then depending on what you exactly need, you can click on add and it gets added onto your cart. So this basket here will then reflect whatever you placed order on. So anyways, for purposes of this tutorial and to make it practical, what I need is I need some cut vegetables. Let me see if I have something like that here. So I think I have to go to fruits, vegetables, and then like go ahead and yeah, there you go, cut vegetables. So I like pomegranates which are peeled. So this is what I was searching for. And then I wanted to also have a tender coconut. But normally you would not be placing order for something so less in value unless you have subscribed to membership, because they charge you 50 rupee delivery fee. So you don't want to place items so low valued that you end up paying more delivery than the ordered items. I need some papaya because it's good. So far so good, but that's all that I want from here. And like I said, like, while I'm adding, I can actually add in more pieces. So if I click on this becomes 2 3, but I don't want 2 3. I basically want 1. So it actually gives information if we click on the item what it is. So in case I want to see what I have ordered and other things, I can just simply click on it and it gives me more about the item and every other thing. So you can actually see like the benefits and every other thing. It's pretty good. So that way. So anyways, so what we do now is, since we've added these 3 items, we can go ahead and check our cart. So this is basically the basket with which you move around the store, but here it's basically all added up to your Bigbasket. So now from here again, you can cancel or you can add quantities. Once you are done, you think it's good enough, you can click on checkout, which should guide you to the payment part. Before that, it's actually like the delivery thing that you need to be a bit careful about, because this is where it gets delivered, right? So in case you want to get it delivered to something else, you can obviously put details for that as well. In case no, you can stay with it, and if everything is fine, you actually click on proceed to pay. Now the remaining part pretty much remains the same for any payment based application, wherein, okay, let's see what are the vouchers available. So I don't have any of this, so as of now I don't have, so it's okay, not bad. So you see, I have different options, of which one is net banking, another is MobiQuick, and one is cash on delivery. So if I select cash on delivery, what this means is when he comes, the delivery boy, I need to pay him cash on the spot. But I'll rather prefer paying in advance, and so I use net banking, and it takes me to like different page. And you see here the net banking option is there, here the ICICI thing. So it's taken me here. Just put in my password, user ID and password, sorry. And then I click on login. So once we have entered putting in our credentials, we can click on pay and the payment should get processed. And voila, that's it. I mean, these are the few steps. So firstly, we selected the item, we added it onto our cart, we confirm the delivery address, and we made the payment. And that's it. The item should be delivered tomorrow between 11 and 1 p.m. And I can now click on continue shopping. So this is pretty much it. So this is how you'll be placing your order on Bigbasket. Now for guys who think like this is getting very hard in English, I have made a tutorial in Hindi as well. In fact, I make all my tutorials nowadays first in Hindi and then in English, so to cater my Indian audience. Hopefully my Hindi is not that bad as well. Anyways, if this helps, please don't mind subscribing to our work. You do understand it takes some effort at least to make all these tutorials, and it's all for a good cause. Your likes, your subscriptions, your comments, remarks, everything goes a long, long way in what we are today. I am really so thankful. All of your things are really appreciated. Thank you so much, guys. It's me signing off.